Why are we doing this? What is the need? So there is no system which talks about the holistic success. Like whatever we have learned in school and whatever we have after that through our colleagues or through our parents. So there is a limited window for learning. After that, you get into the real life and you start proving yourself, you start showing your capabilities, learning, and we all go behind achieving the life milestones which has been defined by society. And that is how you can see the journey starts, the job, the first car, second car, family, marriage, children. So this is all required, this is all goes. But where is the platform, where is the system where we are talking about the holistic success and what really success means? So that was one question which was there. The second one is after 30 or 35, most of the individuals are doing well, but when it comes to what they want to do in life, or they want to do something meaningful, something which will add value. If you talk to any of you or any of your friends, somewhere there is one line: I want to give back to society. After my struggle is over, I want to do something for the society. I want to do something for certain class of the people. I want to give back. But there is really no way, at least I found, that how a working man or working woman can work on that path parallelly, so that they take the responsibility right now, fulfill the responsibilities, achieve the life milestones, progress in the career, but parallelly work towards those aspirations and dreams. So I could not find a platform which is available for that. Third was how to bring clarity in life. I could not find a platform where there is a holistic system available that we bring clarity from career to what you want to do, from the responsibilities to your aspirations, from your EMIs to developing your own system which can make you financially free or time freedom. So there are no system available on that part. So that thought was always there. And everybody talks about what and why. You open a YouTube channel, you open any part of it, and you will find that everybody has spoken about what one should do or why one should do. But there are very few people, at least I could not find, but there are very few people who spoke about how to do it. And if you see in the potential you, whatever we are doing, we are all talking about how to do it. How identity is important, how to build the identity, how beliefs are stopping you and how to eliminate the beliefs, how to bring the clarity, how to take the ownership, how to have an integrated purpose of life. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to bring more clarity on how, by sharing and by validating the experiences. It takes time. I have seen that, and I believe that the 2 days workshop was not sufficient and it's going to be a long association. So we started even the WhatsApp group, we started the monthly meets, we started then having a yearly meet, but that was all not sufficient. So, and then we came up, no, we have to have a weekly program. We have to have a mentorship program where there's a structurally we take everybody through a process so that they can go forward and do this. So this is what we're trying to do. We have no time. The individual have less commitment to self-development. We individual have less clarity. But when we come together, we become more stronger. And that is what is happening on Thursdays. Sometimes someone is low, sometimes someone is high, and then together we are all growing. I'm very sure that even if some week you have not done anything, by hearing somebody's story, you have got pumped up. Oh, I can do this. The calls which are happening apart from the Thursdays, is giving the accountability call we start and we'll start it again. That was pushing. So together we become more stronger, and together we can bring more clarity. And then again we go back, take a huge energy from here, and again we will start working on that. So that's the purpose which we are seeing forward. So people who have achieved significant success, grown bigger than what, and their work is telling us more than what they have achieved, had four things in common between us and them: 24 hours, brain, heart, body, and intelligence. We also exactly have same thing because we are the same factory. How one Mercedes vehicle will be different if it is produced from the same factory? We are also from the same nature, where the brain is coming from there, the heart intelligence is coming from there, the body intelligence is coming from there, and the intellect for thinking is coming from there. How can I be different from those successful people? The only thing which differs is how I am using these resources. And this is what we are trying to do in these Thursdays, and we are trying to go more deep in upcoming Thursdays. That now you have learned how you are getting programmed. The only thing which is coming in our success and me is the program. The old program which is not supporting. The program which is supporting, anyway we are taking forward. The program which is not supporting, we are trying to reprogram it for whatever we want to achieve. That is what we are trying to do. And what helps is sharing, accountability calls, Thursday meeting, and being with like-minded people. That's all. So if you are not driving yourself, people will drive you. Simple. So what we are doing here is we are getting into extreme commitment, extreme accountability for our own life. You must have seen in last 1 year or 6 months or 5 months, you have already taken the power to yourself by not complaining to others. The moment I say, oh, these guys are not interested, I have given power to them. The moment I say, because of my boss this is not happening, I shifted my power to my boss. So you could have seen that is extremely reduced. If it was 4 hours, it has come to 2 hours. If it was 2 hours, it has come down to few minutes. And that is what you start driving. And that is the first level foundation.